All right, so in today's video, I'll show you guys how to download the Temu app, of course, and how to use it. So basically, as you see it, just welcoming us. So first, what you want to do here, you want to go ahead and, once you open the app, you log in and everything with your profile and everything. So you really want to get some more, to start buying stuff. So first, you really want to start, searching stuff here. But you really, you really don't want to buy anything fancy. So let's go ahead and choose something fancy that we can buy. From here, you can just choose anything. Let's say I want to go with this lips balms, and I can just go ahead and add a cart. Choose whatever I want here, and just go ahead and add a cart. Let's go ahead and choose something else. But you guys can download the Temu app. The first link down below, you guys can download it from there, and it will give you guys discount, by the way. So you just here, okay, basically here, you know, buy these AirPods 2 Pro 4. So add. So once you add it, everything is already in there. So go ahead and click, check out. And as you see, we can check out until it's $20. Let's go ahead and add something out. Navy. All right, 30 code. Okay, a coupon code here. Your coupon code will be FAV 0977. So this will give you 30% off, and that way you get to get 30% off once you place your order. And beside that, though, so basically, like, just this right here is Temu app, and welcome to Temu. So now you're familiar with exactly what is Temu and how to use it. You can literally go ahead and start placing your order, and the longer time, it's only 5 days. 5 days, so that's only 1 week, and the next week your item should be at your door. Go ahead and comment down below if you guys have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new. And yeah, check out my recent videos.